Hi, this is Karen, and in this video I'm going to talk about serial numbers. Before I show you how to add serial numbers when receiving goods, I would like to point out that there is not always a need to add serial numbers at inbound delivery. If you are using scanning at outbound delivery and you don't have any need for keeping track of what exact serial numbers you have in stock, you can set the serial numbers when picking the item. You would then scan the serial numbers to save it on the order row so you can keep track of which customer got which serial number. Now, if you have to register serial numbers at inbound delivery, either because you're not using scanning at outbound or if you need to keep track of what serial numbers you have in stock, you can do so from this Receive dialog. You can get here either by pressing Warehouse, Receive Goods, or if you're using Purchase Order by selecting the order and press Receive. When you have selected an article to receive and filled in the count and location, you can enter the serial number in this field. If you can't find this field, you can check Show More Input Fields. If you let us know, we can make the serial number field visible per default. Now, if you're using serial numbers for all articles, you will probably have to receive them item by item each time, and we could then set the default count to 1, so you don't have to enter it each time you receive an item. You would then just have to keep entering the serial numbers and press Enter to receive goods. If you are using scanning, it would instead look like this. If you have added the serial numbers at inbound delivery, you can see the serial numbers that has been allocated or picked on a specific order at the order details. And when printing the pick list, you can see what serial numbers to pick here. If you are using scanning, you would have to let us know if you want to filter or set the serial number when scanning. Filtering means that the serial number has already been set at inbound and you just want to validate that you have picked the right item. To set the serial number means that you want to pick any item and just store the serial number on the picked item in the system in order to know what serial number was delivered. When filtering serial numbers, you only have to scan the serial number, not the article barcode or location, since the serial number is supposed to be unique. If you are setting serial number, you will not have a specific number to pick and you will in most cases scan the location, article barcode and serial number. But as we can configure the scanning flow to your requirements, there are other options as well. When you have picked the item and set the serial number, you find it in the order details. It's also possible to save serial numbers when receiving goods, but still be able to pick any serial number. The system will either allocate a specific item but allow you to swap to another serial number when picking, or you will not allocate the goods before picking at all. If you want to search for a specific serial number and you don't know if you have it in stock or not, you can go to Goods Flow, All Goods, and then use this field to search for a specific serial number. In this case, the serial number has been delivered and you can see to which customer. If you want to find an order containing a specific serial number, you can search for it in the order list. Again, we can make this search field visible by default so you don't have to press Show All Fields. Just let us know. If you want to search among serial numbers you currently have in stock, you can do so from either Warehouse Update Goods Info or from Goods Flow Goods in Stock. You also have an overview of all delivered and received serial numbers at Goods Flow Received Goods and Delivered Goods.